Hello everyone, welcome to PMFIS. I am Dr. Vishwjeet Kawar. In last lecture, we have discussed about Stone Age. And in the Stone Age, we have discussed in detail about all three phases, that is Paleolithic phase, Mesolithic phase and Neolithic phase. We have seen all the characteristics of all three phases plus their site. And one of the important site in the Neolithic phase was Daojali Hading. Daojali Hading, which is located in Assam. So in today's lecture, we are going to see one news related to this Daojali Hading. But before we see this news, just first see the features of this Neolithic culture or Neolithic site. This is an important Neolithic site, Daojali Hading. It is from Assam. So if you see, during this Paleolithic and Mesolithic time, these people were hunter-gatherers. But if you consider the Neolithic site, people were farmers. So people started farming. If people started farming, they definitely have the grains, and to store these grains, they needed pots. So they also started making pottery. Similarly, once they started farming, they are now settling in one place. So they also started constructing these houses. So they were living in mud brick houses. During this Neolithic phase, during the Paleolithic phase, Paleolithic people were using this large stone. During the Mesolithic period, they were using this microlith. Now during this Neolithic phase, they were using these polished stone tools. Polished stone tools. And one important thing during this Neolithic phase is in Daojali Hading is jadeite. It is a type of stone which might brought from the China, which shows the linkage or trade between India and China during that period. Suppose archaeologists have found the evidence of any one of these, it won't be a surprise for us. But recently, in this site, that is Daojali Hading, archaeologists have found iron slag and furnace. So basically this Daojali Hading is a Neolithic site, means this is a Stone Age culture site. Means if you find anything related to stone, we won't get surprised. But now they have found this iron slag. Iron slag means, suppose you are extracting metal from the ore, you are extracting iron from the ore, then what is the byproduct? We call it as a iron slag. And furnaces, these are used for melting metals. What this suggests? This suggests that there was a early metallurgic practices in the Daojali Hading. Earlier we considered this Daojali Hading as only a Neolithic site, means Stone Age site. But this recent excavation by the archaeologists suggested that this could be a more than just a Neolithic site. Means there is a chances that this Daojali Hading may be a Iron Age site also. But until now, we are not sure. Why we are not sure? Because this need further research like radiocarbon dating and all. Once that is done, we can be sure whether it is just a Neolithic site or more than just a Neolithic site. So if you see this map, we have already given all the sites of Paleolithic phase, Mesolithic and Neolithic in single map. So this Daojali Hading, an important Neolithic site, is from Assam. Question might come in UPSC or state PCS like site and their states. So remember this one important site, Daojali Hading, which is the state Assam. Along with this site, you have to remember few more sites from this Neolithic culture, Mehergarh, Burzahom and Chirand. So remember, this Daojali Hading is basically a Neolithic site, means we get the evidence of this finding of polished stone, jadeite stone, against finding of these mud brick houses. But one important thing now which is in the news is recently archaeologists have found iron slag and furnace. So this site may go beyond just a Neolithic site. In the next lecture, we will cover the all Chalcolithic sites and Chalcolithic culture. Until then, goodbye.